Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 1st March to 7th March 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign and zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information to make your life easy and better. Let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant. Sagittarius ascendant for 1st March to 7th March. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you because your ascendant slot transit in your second house. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy all-around success. Your savings will rise. Some long distance or short distance journeys will make you happy. You will spend some quality time with your family and friends because your ascendant slot transit in second house and aspecting is on your 8th house. 8th house is also house of long distance journeys. Certain long distance journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. You will spend some quality time with your near and dear. Monday and Tuesday will be a very rewarding days for you. You will bless with a lot of success. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity at your workplace. The more you put your efforts at your workplace here, the more you get fantastic results. Wednesday and Thursday again you will be bounced back because unexpected money will make you happy. If you are importer exporter, you will sign any new contract or some unexpected foreign transactions will make you happy. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy a lot of source of earning. Multiple source of earning will make you happy. Friday and Saturday you will go for some long distance, short distance journey with your family or friends. You will spend very good time on Friday and Saturday. You will enjoy all around success. Sagittarius, this whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains and a lot of good appreciation from your workplace. Your seniors will be happy from your performance. Try to perform your best. This is a wonderful week for you. Just need to perform your best. Put your 100% energy at your workplace. You will definitely shine like a sun. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendant. Capricorn, you need to be careful in this week. A relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Venus is combust. Jupiter Saturn is in your first house. Capricorn, this whole week brings a lot of challenge in your personal life. You will be a part of any problem or any arguments with your spouse or with your business associates. Don't be a part of any argument or any litigation because this whole week create a lot of problems. Mentally, you are not feeling happy. Your source of earning not as per your expectations. Capricorn, this is a time when God check your patience. I'm telling in my every video about Capricorn and Gemini, this whole year, God checking your patience, especially planet Saturn is checking your patience. And if you clear the exams from Saturn side, you will shine like a sun. Capricorn, be patient, relax. Monday and Tuesday will be a better days, there is no doubt, but not as per expectations. You will be a part of any problem, any litigation with your life partner, with your business partner. You're not feeling comfortable. Your mind is not stable. Your mind is not happy. You're feeling very low energy. Wednesday and Thursday, you will earn good money from your business profession, but not as per your expectations. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Capricorn, the more you put effort at your workplace, the more you perform best in your personal relationship, you will get good result. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. You're not feeling happy the response you get from your spouse. You're not feeling happy the response you get from your seniors and workplace. But be humble, keep your mouth mum and perform your best. You will definitely get some achievements after some time. But this whole week brings a lot of challenge, up and down, instability, tension, stress. So you need to be careful and must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before you sleep. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but some foreign partnership will make you happy. You may invest your money in a faraway place where you are living and foreign partners will give you very good tips or foreign partner will give you very good advice. That will be a biggest game changer for you. Aquarius, you need to perform your best. Try to pay your bill on time. Monday and Tuesday, you will be a part of any problem. Your health is not very promising. You're feeling very low energy. Stomach-related trouble or backbone-related trouble will irritate you. Aquarius, relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Don't show your attitude, ego or stubborn nature in front of anyone. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Jupiter Saturn is in your 12th house. Sun is in your first house. Some unnecessary burden or unnecessary arguments with anyone create some panic situation. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful about your health. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected money will make you happy. Your health will fine. You will enjoy very good time. but you need to give some respect to your spouse. You need to give some respect to your elders at home. Aquarius, this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. The more you put your positive energy, think positive, perform best, you will get good results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will enjoy all around success. Good gains are there. You will enjoy unexpected monetary gains. Your health will fine. Your desires will be fulfilled. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Pisces, the more you put effort in your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Jupiter, Saturn is in your 11th house. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, Saturn Mahadasha, if you have a Mars Mahadasha in your individual birth chart, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Just need to perform your best at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. This whole week you may blessed with a lot of appreciation at your workplace. But some instability in your mind will create some panic situation. Overall, Pisces, if you are going to investment, then this is a very good week for you, very promising week for you. There is strong chances for start some new venture in partnership, and planets is in your favor if you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your individual birth chart. So must consult with your nearest astrologer to start anything new. But Monday and Tuesday will be a biggest game changer days for you, when you will bless with a lot of money. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. So you will get some order from far away place. If you are importer exporter, if you are invested your money in foreign land, this is a wonderful time, and you will bless with a lot of success. Pisces, this is your year. This is your time. This whole week brings a lot of new opportunities for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will blessed with a lot of good gains. Your savings will rise, and you will enjoy all-around success if you have a good Mahadasha in your individual birth chart. You will enjoy a lot of good movements. You feel very positive and happy energy. Friday and Saturday, you will spend some time with your family and friends, and you may go for some short distance journeys. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, peace of mind, success, reward, reputation, and a lot of growth. Financial, you will be sky high and top. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.